right, we're about to start today's adventure. And I was wondering who would be the first one out. And I'm not surprised it is you.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now we get to see who the next person is.
Let me see.
Who do you think?
Maybe Josh.
Josh? I think Josh too.
Yeah.
I see Josh. Oh no, I see both of them. That's unfortunate. It's wet.
It's also not.
Like I said, there they both are. We're ready for the adventure. Virginia, Maine, New York, Pennsylvania, all the red cars. Buddy, I will attack you for that.
He's like, fine, you can have it.
You can hear the falls.
Can you hear the falls?
We made it. We made it. Yeah, we made it.
Did we?
No.
Let's see if we make it back. If this is posted online, we made it back.
If it's not posted online,
Well, they wouldn't know.
yeah. Oh well. I guess it's fine.
Descending the distance of 200 feet at a rate of 500 feet per minute. Guests with wheelchairs or strollers can use the ramp located to the left of the exit. The Maid of the Mist boat tour entrance is located at the bottom of the stairs. If you are not taking the boat tour, please go to your left at the bottom of the stairs to view the falls. Carefully exit the elevator.
Oh, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, accurate. We're good. We're good. Because that's the very first boat. We're not gonna make it on that, but
Oh, yeah, because it's not even 9 yet, is it?
yeah. But we'll make the next few
Oh,
boats.
that's so funny. Do you think they, like, load them up and then just, like, fling them out?
We prefer the Canada side.
Well, we'll see.
Are you trying to get
You're
the
right.
rainbow?
I enjoy the Canada
The
side.
rainbow.
Oh,
It's gonna be there because it's
taste the rainbow.
The rainbow's gone. I ate it.
I didn't know what you were trying to do. We'll see where we stand. Thank you.
Wait, we should do a before and after shot.
Oh, okay.
Take a group selfie with normal clothes. The jumping over. No, you have to.
We made it.
Transition.
We're gonna be on the second boat. Second boat. If this was Amazing Race, we would be screwed.
Why? What does that mean?
That means we're late.
Oh. I'm gonna take this off for now and put my flip flops on.
I look like a blue alien.
Josh, put your hood on. They're crayons.
Are we moving? All right, I don't know how much you guys can hear, but we're on the second boat of the day, and I just want you guys to see. This is not as crowded as the first boat, so
That's the first boat right there.
yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Good job, guys. Good job.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the
Should be the dynamic duo.
All right, how's it? Careful, careful.
I am. How are you? How you doing?
So,
Stand there, stand there. Wow! Let me take a picture. Go back, go back. Okay.
look at that. We came in a Tesla and we rode on a Tesla. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh. All right, so we thought we were gonna be done, right? Right? Except we can walk right next to the falls. I don't know if you guys can do that. Yeah. Oh. I don't know if I got it. Camera's getting soaked. Okay. Oh my God. Let's go! Amy, I can't see Jack. Please show him. Please, please. My foot doesn't want to stay on. So. I'm so glad you guys are waterproof. You guys are lucky. To safety. Look, it's dry. I'm not totally 100%.
Yeah. It's like back wet, and I like go to touch it, and it's just like, oh my God, I'm soaked. Your pants. Oh my God. Oh no. It looks like you peed yourself. Go around the other side. That's where we were. Oh my God. We were those people. Oh my God. We checked out in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
We ran in, packed.
Found your ring.
I lost my ring and we found it. Better than being lost at the bottom of Niagara Falls.
The the
What did she say?
I think the worst thing is that it's not over. The adventures aren't over.
Yeah, let me flip the camera. That's funny. Courtesy of Angela. So this is the closest supercharger. We will arrive there with 3%, maybe. Everything is off. No music, no AC. Oh god. Yeah, just windows and humans and dog. And Ellie is on Josh's lap.
It's almost like we're in a convertible, right?
Yep.
It's gonna be loud.
I needed my hair. Alright, bye. Okay.
Say you something again.
I said it's chaotic, but
A little bit louder.
I'm proud of us for getting the shit together so fast.
Can you give us a quick?
Because like, how long did it take us to get everything together when we left
Probably like 15 minutes.
Johan and Amy's apartment yesterday?
Oh, yeah, that's fair.
But what were you saying?
Oh yeah, this is the most chaotic like exit from a hotel ever.
Yes. I have never been rushed to exit a hotel.
Yeah.
Same.
I have never checked out with less than 5 minutes to spare. Except we did. Johan checked out on his phone and we stayed like another 5 minutes.
No, that's what I told him to do. That's what my family always does. Like, we'll send someone to go downstairs to check us out, and then we'll continue packing upstairs.
Ellie, what do you have to say about this?
Oh, we're gonna arrive with 4%. Y'all, let's go.
1% more.
But what's it called? No, the person. Oh, go for it. Go for it. Because I was just gonna say that we were.
I don't want to flip the camera.
No, we were about. Like when I checked my phone to check us out, I was like, oh yeah, we're checked out, but we had already been checked out. So.
Oh my god. Wait, that's probably why that guy was outside of our room.
Like when I went to go check the digital key, it said checked out.
Wait,
I didn't even get the opportunity to check out.
How were you able to get into the room then?
The key was still working,
Oh, that's weird.
so
Oh,
my God.
well, we will not be staying there again.
yeah. Unless Vanessa's working, but Vanessa has to be working the entire
Yes.
time over there. All right.
Vanessa was great though.
Vanessa was great. Just, oh shit! Just a little bit.
Alright, bye. Let's see if we make it.
We'll make it.
And why do you think I want to like come, to be honest?
We are up to 5%.
All right, let's turn on the AC. Let's crank up the music.
No.
I've habituated.
Oh, we're back to
job,
4%. We spoke too soon. I started saying turn the
It got
music
scared
down
of
to
you.
Yeah, never mind.
Back up to 5%.
We are at 5% right now, so.
Oh shoot. I think it's gonna drop down to 4. There's no way it's not going down 1 whole percent in 6 minutes. Back down to 4. Because we were at 4. But we'll be there in less than a mile. Yay!
All right, so we made it. So the chargers that I tried to charge at, all of them are down. 20 repair, it's crazy. All of them were down for repair. And then someone pulled out of their Tesla charger and they were like, go for it. We had 3% on the battery, we're charged. It's gonna take like an hour, 15 hour and a half to get completely what we need. And then we're gonna be on our way to Albany. But we're gonna get some food first because we're gonna be here for a little while. Angela has her crutches.
Hello. Johan forgot to record, but we were all charged.
Oh, we're all charged and we're going to a new charger. Yay. Oh, we've also had lunch. So
Show them lever.
In case they forget where we are.
it's not that big. It's only a small.
Oh, America.
said that's a normal size slug.
Oh, what?
Oh, it's right here.
President.
Oh. Oh, left. Are you camera shy?
Looks like it's from tacos.
Ellie has moved to the front.
Right. So this is our place in Albany. There's a little kitchen area with a dishwasher, full fridge, microwave, and then
Microwave.
what is that? A stove?
Oh, this is a big. I thought there were two ottomans.
This is the pull-out couch. Hello.
Hello.
I actually don't know how this is supposed to.
Pull out couches.
I actually don't know how this is supposed to sleep 6, but that was the advertised thing. Okay. Well, what were we talking? We're talking about.
Josh said sea walk. The C in sea walking stood for clown. So clown walking. And I asked, clowns walk like that? Or clowns perform that?
This is coming from the same person where she was like sea walking, like SEA, so like Jesus walking on water.
Like moon walking.
So walking on the moon.
All right, we're at Texas Roadhouse. All the good food, all the good vibes.
Not good on your vibes.
Yeah.
Oh, these are
All good.
Did you get on camera?
No, I didn't. I didn't press record.
I'm so proud of you.
That's the beer.
Here, you can.
I what am I about?
Oh, sorry.
Hello. Hello. We're playing a card game called Coup.
We're actually staging a real coup. These are just
Nope. We're putting an end to that.
Once again, I am putting my ring in my purse.
Okay.
And I'm zipping the pocket. Well, I just zipped it in there.
See.
If it's gone tomorrow, there's a theft. Like a ghost thief.
Okay. You can't because the person or people you share it with have moved on. And that's okay. When you're ready, remember that there are those who are willing to share in all the experiences. When you start to bounce back, etch your experiences into your soul. Enough for those who've moved on. And slowly, you'll gain that wanderlust again. You'll find reasons to keep